Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to fix wrong date and time in your Windows PC. Let me show you how. For the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Click on your startup menu, and this is going to pop up right here. Go ahead and click on settings. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you scroll down right here and click on time and language right here. Click on that. Now you are here. First thing first, you have to check on your time zone and region. Take a look at this my time zone right here. You can see currently I'm in 8:16 a.m., which is the local time. However, this time here is not correct. It's only the date that was correct, which is 22nd of February 2026. So how do we fix this particular problem right here and get our date and time correctly on our Windows PC? So let's go. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your date and time. Then scroll down right here. You can check on your date, time, and format right here. If you would like to change the date, time, and format, then you can check on them right here. Then first day of the week, you can set it from here. Then short dates. If you want to change your date format, you can use different formats right here. As for me, I'm satisfied with the one I have right here. Then long date right here, you can go ahead and change your long date right here. If you want to change your short time, you can click on here and then you have different formats for short time as the case may be. Then you can scroll down right here, you can change the symbol of your AM or PM right here. If you would like to change, you can change the different format right here. Okay. Now next thing we want to do right here is to go ahead and go back. Then getting to back right here, what we want to do here is to make sure we work on our region right here. Click on region. So under the region right here, you want to make sure that you come to country or region right here. So choose your right country from the options right here. These are all available country right here. So I'm going to select Nigeria right here. Then you can go ahead and set time automatically. You can disable automatic for now. Then you can set date and time manually. You can change right here. And here we go. So you have your date to be this. Then you can set the time right here. So currently we are in 7:20 a.m. So once I select 7:20 a.m., then I'll come down below right here, click on check mark right here. Then I'll go ahead and click on change right here. Once we change it, you can see now that the date has been accurately changed. Come down below right here, you can see 7:21. The date is also correct. It's that simple. So you can see it right here as well. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to set your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.